Over my many years at Armstrong World Industries, many of my projects, over my decades of work at Armstrong World Industries, many of my projects were at the Macon, Georgia plant, the largest ceiling tile plant in the world. Now, I was asked to join a team to help the plant return to budgeted performance by the end of the quarter. And I was picked because I was known for a few things: Kaizen facilitation and board flow and reliability efforts. So I was assigned to fabrication. This is a section of the plant where the large boards are turned into finished sizes with paint and texture and packaging and all those good things that eventually end up in the customer facility. So I had a team assigned with me. One was the overall project manager, an electrical engineer, and myself. And we took a walk of the fabrication side of the plant, trying to identify improvements we could make that would help return the plant back to budgeted requirements. Now, we found many small areas we could make improvements, but we really didn't think they would make that much of a difference. We needed a breakthrough, and we found it in an intermediate line that feeds other lines in the plant. Turns out that line was having great difficulties getting these large 4-foot by 8-foot panels through the line without jamming or other damage type issues. And so what was happening was the line it was trying to feed was being starved because this line was operating at a much slower rate because the operators had slowed it down to get the boards around the line. This caused the upstream line, the line to be fed, to be waiting rather than running. And of course, people were standing idle, waiting for product to show up. This was our opportunity. So we presented our project to management, and they were with ideas of how we might improve this using, of course, board flow and reliability techniques I had used at other locations. They approved, and they gave us some resources. We got a couple additional maintenance mechanics as well as one of the lead operators so that we could make sure what we were going to improve was going to make their lives better. So we started this project by assessing the line and identifying the best places to use the reliability and board flow techniques. And by the end of the project, we were able to raise the actual operating speed by more than 20%. But more importantly, we had pretty much reduced jams and damage issues to zero. So everybody's life was easier and safer, and now we wouldn't be starving the next line that needed that product. This one project helped the plant, not completely, but get much closer to their budget expectations. It also strengthened my personal reputation as a quick problem solver and also lent credibility to my approach for board flow and process reliability. Now, I still use this approach to this day to help my clients improve the safety and productivity of their manufacturing lines. And the nice part about this is it's very teachable, so that once we do it with me, they can then take it further to other operating lines in their facility without me. I hope you enjoyed this story, gained some insight, and learned something you can use. You'll find many more Kaizen stories on my website, www.pi-partners.com. If you'd like help growing your profits through sustained process improvement, scan the QR code on the screen for a free consultation, and let's start our journey together.